All right. Okay, so right now we're scheduled for the 16th, 12 p.m. We got start time approved by Cilio. Um, Denise Foreman of pharmacy knows about it. And we are here to make sure we got everything together. I know that David had opened up the change ticket. Have you been able to get the config and mop and Raquel and patching matrix done?
Yeah, that should all be up there. Access, I think, was an issue. I know you were helping get stuff to the right people. If there's another folder somewhere, because I don't have access to, I can't control access to that directory. I don't have a way to grant access to it. If we need to set up somewhere else, that's fine. Just
what's the link that they're at now?
It's in a directory under network services, and so it's got to be someone up the network services food chain who owns this thing. They're trying to get all this project documentation so it ends up there for future reference.
Yeah.
But I stuck it there because I didn't have any other clear place to put it for now. But I recognize, once I did it, then of course I'm trying to share it. It says, "Oh, you don't have a rights to do that," and I don't know who does.
Would you sent that in email, or you send me? Can you put that link in here?
Yeah, we sent up an email earlier. What's the project number on this one?
1009084.
Is it? I thought this was it was a different pharmacy one, like 3.
Oh, you mean the change number?
No. I thought there was a separate project number for the chain. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm just trying to. And then I got Randy Young pinging me about the other changes for this week. So I'm sort of splitting my brain.
Yeah.
Let me.
All right. I'm sorry, guys. This is turning out to be a non-productive. All right. So actually, then maybe okay, who else we got on? We got so Michael, your role in this. Um, we need you guys to do the patching. Did I lose you all?
No, I still hear you.
Okay.
If I remember the dealio is that they're doing the rack and stack, they're doing the patching, and there's some fiber, I think, fusing that's happening
That's right.
as part of this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I recall. Sean's involvement is supposed to be make sure all the stacking cables are there and they're all properly connected. Make sure everything's ready, power the thing up, drop a config on it, right? Patch the fiber cables, fiber jumpers into the switches so that everything's ready to go. And then we'll see everything comes up, do some quality tests, just make sure the switches arrive fine, they're on the right version of software, all that good stuff, and then the cables can get all moved over, and we'll be monitoring. And there's a bunch of new APs. There's one that's got to get moved, so I want to make sure Ed's around, or somebody from wireless, right? Probably Ed is around and can deal with making sure they get on maps and get named and all that good stuff.
Right.
I apologize. This is Michael from NorCal. Got disconnected.
So yeah, we were just kind of reviewing you and your team's role, right, to rack, stack, patch, do fiber splice. And,
Yeah. So currently everything is in the new rack.
right.
So the night of the cut, we will be just connecting to circuits, existing circuits via the new fiber to get the switches up and going. Move over all of the patches to the new, the new cabling is already patched, but we'll move that over to the new switches. And then once I guess we get all clear from Sean, we'll go ahead and start moving the existing fiber, the old fiber, into that rack, and connecting everything back up via the old fiber, so that all the legs are working on the existing fiber. And after that, I think we should, hopefully be done.
Cool. So that, yeah, a lot of good prep work there to minimize the outage and the patching sequence. Very good. Thank you. And then we have Carl on. So Carl, you're here to help us. What's your specific piece again? You're supporting us? You're not?
Well, I have 5 phones to put in, which came in last week.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
Let me think about that.
Do we
VoIP phones or I assume VoIP?
No.
No. All right. Then I'm not worried.
Okay. So they don't think that has any effect on us there.
If they're not VoIP phones, no, because then they don't touch the switch. Right? They don't touch the network switch.
Yeah, they're just digital phones. They'll go on the cable that we had pulled.
Nice.
Okay, so cool. That's just a bonus. Cool, cool.
I mean, how fast is are they gonna empty out that old rack real soon? Is that happening?
I assume that we tear out old stretch will get decommed, should be decommed at the end of the change, right? I don't know what else is in there. If there's anything else that's powered, if there's anything else that's powered, we'll get the UPS turned down. Excuse me, unless something is powered off that UPS, we'll turn down the UPS. Construction could talk more about when they'll decom it, when they'll actually rip it out. I don't know what their plan is.
Yeah. So, I mean, is anything happening real soon? I'm just wondering. I am going to be on PTO between the 12th and the 27th, but
If change is scheduled to bring the network switch online, it's right now in change management review. It's scheduled for the 16th, starting at noon.
cool.
So by the time you get back, hopefully, there's a lot of stuff that's been decommissioned and
that other cabinet should be out of the room.
I'm thinking it might be.
Might be.
That's that corner cabinet, the HP one, or? Oh, no, I'm sorry, wrong side. Sorry. Okay, all right, so you're not gonna, okay, so there's really no effect of that there. I see, Ed's on, thanks, Ed. I think, you had, verified your availability for this on the 16th?
Yes, yeah, and hey, David, do you need me to do anything? Put the interface descriptions into the config file or anything like that?
That'd be helpful. Yes, it would. Adding that in, and then on change day, obviously name the new ones when they come up and all that stuff. Make sure they're in Prime Prime, I guess.
Okay. Do you have the interface assignments for the access points?
Yes. So let's see, get that right. Okay, so it's this folder.
Okay, I see. Yep.
And then which one is the right? So there's a file. It says Woodland IDF 102.xlsx.
Okay.
And so in that one,
Are they going all on the same blade, or are we? Is there two blades?
It's 9300. So there's a pair of them,
Okay.
and they are. It should be split between the two of them. So.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, we shouldn't cause any failures that way.
So one AP, we're going to start in the back like normal, 48 interface 48.
Yeah.
Okay.
148, 248, that alternating
Okay.
pattern. Welcome. Okay.
Because I did get the information from construction on the serial numbers and MAC addresses and stuff like that. So
Awesome.
I could build a description. The only thing they haven't answered me about are ASIC tags for the APs.
That's a challenging one.
Do we, I'm sorry, need to find something or?
They didn't provide me ASIC tag information. So I'm questioning whether the labels were put on the access points or not. I'll find my email. I'll copy you on it, Brian. I'll send it again.
Yeah, they gotta be there.
Okay. Do we, this, something I should know, I guess, but so EUS maybe can help us with that. And I almost forget whether we were thinking of sending Massey over. Is that what we were thinking of doing?
Well, I think part of the discussion was talk to Jamie Burton.
Burton, yeah.
See, if Massey's available and that's okay, and he actually can help, right? If he has the right, physical access and access to, like I don't know how the network security is done. So,
Okay.
If he goes over to the site, does he have the same access to another desktop like I do? So if he tried to fix something, he wouldn't be able to do it. I don't know. But if either, if Jamie can support it, great. If he wants the extra body, even just someone who can, identify a problem and, when a Jamie or someone who works for him can help or whatever, just, we have a resource and they need it. Better to have people around. It is lab, right? So
yeah.
That or pharmacy, whatever, it tends to be something that, can get people's knickers in and out when they don't work.
Yep. Nope, we don't want that. No knicker bunching.
Right. Hey, Brian, that says Ed Schultz will be there. I won't be there. I can get somebody to be there if we need somebody on wireless, but.
We'll be on a call, right?
Oh yeah, I'll be on the
But not
call.
physically there. Yeah.
Right.
Is it live or is it Memorex?
I'm gonna run off to another call.
Yeah. No, I understand that. Okay, so I'm gonna check back with Jamie, make sure I did with John Mackey. I think I did already. And so so right here is where everything's located, David?
That directory, yeah.
Yeah.
But access is a little funked up.
Yeah.
I can't fix it, but somebody's got a better spot. I'm all over it.
Yeah. All right. I'll send out an email to everybody who, if you all could get into this link. Well, Ed, I don't know if Carl needs to. I don't think does Michael need to get into this? Michael Romo need to get into this?
Michael Norcal does not.
Okay. Cool. All right.
Were you looking for the asset tag specifically, or the MAC address and serial numbers of the APs?
No, we have that. The MAC addresses and the serial numbers, but the Common Spirit asset tags have to be put on the APs, and I need that information so I can update inventory.
Right.
No, yeah, right. I was just making sure. We did send out the serial numbers and MAC address for each location. I didn't see any asset tag information, so my assumption is we weren't giving any, or none were put on the APs, but I'll double check.
Okay, Brian, where do they come from? Do those come from EUS?
I believe so. Yeah. I'll ask Jamie about that. If not, I'll track it down somewhere. Figure it out. Get those out.
No, Michael's had sent me an email with a link. I can't get into Dropbox. I think we're blocked from Dropbox on the Dignity side for some reason.
Yes, we are.
Okay, that was just a cleaner copy of the photos that we had with the information on them.
Okay, is it anything change? Then I won't need the spreadsheet if nothing's changed with the photo.
Right, yeah, it was just a clean copy of the as-built, instead of the sketch, and then an actual, spreadsheet instead of the sketch.
Okay,
All right, cool. So we just need the asset tag still.
yep.
Okay. All right, Narinder,
Yeah, I'm here.
and what's your role again? I'm so sorry.
I guess I'm an land engineer.
Oh, great. So are you gonna be on site or just remote and monitor?
Remote. I'm in based in New York.
Where in New York?
I'm in New York, New York, New York.
Okay, oh, okay. I'm on Long Island.
Me too. In Hicksville.
Oh, I just left a funeral in Hicksville.
Oh, where in Long Island though? Where are you?
I'm in Massapequa now.
Oh, you're in Massapequa, right here. Okay.
Yeah, right.
What was your name? I'm sorry. Who was that?
This is Brian Bernhard.
Okay, Brian. Hopefully, I'll meet you one day.
Yeah, that'd be nice. But you're there to support which part of the pharmacy network there?
Yeah, I'm part of the I guess LAN network engineering team.
Right. Okay, cool. And you have access to all this stuff?
I still in progress. I just I received my laptop today.
Oh, okay. You're new to Sean's team then.
Yeah, I'm new. My first
Yeah.
week. Think of yeah.
Right. Cool. Yeah. Oh, well, definitely have to get together.
Yeah.
All right. So this is more FYI for you then, this whole project, right? This is learning. Okay. And is that Saeed as well? Are you new as well, Saeed?
Hello, yeah, it's me, Sayed, and I'm also new to this project. And then I still haven't got any access yet. I'm still
Right.
waiting on my laptop right now. Yeah.
Okay. Guys, don't use this as the example of how we proceed. I got a little
Sure.
a little delayed today. I apologize. So, all right. So, I'll send these notes out. Whoever, if you want to try to get into, if you guys, we can look to get access for you. So you have that. If you want to try and get into this link, it's in the chat or it's in here. And that's where, David has all the documents for the move. Let's see. I really gotta get with Jamie Burton. I gotta go with him right now. Okay, so we have a standing meeting on Wednesday. We can catch back up. I just wanted to try to have something in between, and so that way we're ready to go. But I think we got everything lined up, and just need to make sure EOS is available to us, and we can get everywhere, and that we can get into everything, and we'll be good. All right, so I guess I'll talk to you all on Wednesday, and I'll send out meeting notes. Any questions or other thoughts? All right.
I have no, Brian. One question I have. This is Narinder, but you can call me Nick. Who can I reach out to for all my access? Like anybody in IT in our team I can reach out to?
I'll see. It's tough. It takes too long to get access, and you do sometimes wind up talking to different people that you didn't,
Yeah,
So-
Sean's been helping me.
Yeah, well, I mean, no better than Sean.
Awesome. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but it is tough. So if you want to ping me with stuff, go ahead and I'll see, how I can help you and, get, because Sean is, he needs all you guys. He is busy. He's got a lot of work. I mean,
Yeah.
he knows about everything and he knows how to do anything. Just he's only one person, right?
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right, any other last questions or thoughts? All right, guys, thank you so much for your time.